If one wants to achieve the purpose of life, one needs to pay the rights of God's creation. The Saint of Peace, Hakim Tariq Chughtai, embarked on the service to humanity under the same spirit. In 2010, the Saint of Peace established the welfare organization by the name of Ubqari Welfare Trust. He makes sure to offer his services for the welfare of humans without any discrimination to race, religion and school of thoughts through Ubqari Welfare Trust. Since the very first day, the Saint of Peace is putting his best efforts to assure services to the suffering and the needy people by Ubqari Welfare Trust. Home ration, children's educational expenses, including supply of school uniforms and books, clothes and furniture are provided to the needy people. Ubqari Welfare Trust makes it sure that the needy people are given relief at their doorsteps so that their respect may not be affected. On the directions of the Saint of Peace, the Ubqari Welfare Trust has played its role in anxiety disaster such as earthquakes and floods. The basic needs of the victims were provided. Ubqari Welfare Trust achieved its objectives with the help of God-fearing rich people. These people give donations of different things, which are accessible only to the right ones. There is no doubt that serving the humanity is the core success.